Hey friends, today we'll learn how to create Twitch account. For that, first of all, go to Google and search Twitch. Then click on first link. Then here you see sign up option in the upper corner. Simply click on. Then enter username. Then enter a password. Then click on next step. You can create Twitch account on email or phone number. I want to use email for create Twitch account. Simply click on use email instead. Then enter your Gmail. Then click on next step. Enter your date of birth. Then click on sign up. Enter a verification code you receive on your Gmail. And you successfully create Twitch account. If you like our video, please subscribe.